Hello, everybody. No make, no life. That's right. I know. Oh, ooh, yeah, my crow is tasting pretty good. That's right. I told y'all I wasn't getting this box again, but I resubscribed for 3 months. That's right. So we're going to talk about no make, no life, and we're going to see what we have. This is the April box, and it ships late April, and I just got it, so I want to get it out to you. Now, you cannot get this box, but you can get the May box if you order before, I think, May 15th. That is their cutoff time, and then they ship after that. So let's take a look and see what I have. This is Miss Jackie Russell. Welcome to my channel. My name is Vicki, and we are going to find out what is in this box. Now, I will tell you that it is cherry blossom. Does that give you a hint? I love cherry blossom trees, and I wish we had some around here. There might be some, but I think most of them are up north that grow naturally or that were brought over, when the pilgrims came or something. But anyways, this box that I'm going to show you ships directly from Tokyo, Japan. And it is a great box. And I want to remind you, if you would please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And if you'll hit that like, because the likes really help us, leave a comment, even if it's an emoji, and share me out or hype it if you want to. I sure would appreciate it. But we're going to find out what's in the April No Make, No Life NMNL. Now, this box has been around a while, but it was totally new to me, and I have enjoyed it. It's Japanese and Korean beauty. Hey, beautiful, your box, share and tag, hashtag no make, no life. And I don't know, well, I do hashtag them. So anyways, I think it's just a gorgeous box, and of course it's pink, my favorite color, and it has all kinds of decor on it. It's such a cute box, and they send us a product card. Look at this. Hey, and guys, I got some freebies, I think, that are in here. We'll have to look and see if they put them in there. But this is our Cherry Blossom Beauty. That's right. And then they have these Hello Lovelies and Hello No Make, No Life Family. And I don't know where they come up with that name. I guess there's a URL or a scan me if you want to get, I guess, in on the family, or maybe even a chance to win, it looks like. So, hey, that's pretty cool. And it says, why Sakura inspires seasonal beauty products. So that's what we're going to have. It tells us a little bit about some of the products. And then it also, of course, will give us detail item lineup. I love it. I love that they still do it the old-fashioned way. And I'm excited to get in here. So I'm going to see if I can find everything right off the bat here. Now, I don't know prices, so I don't think they give us prices. But I can tell you this box, I subscribed. It's $33.50 a month because I did 3 and then the shipping. It ends up costing me $49.50 a box, okay? So take that in mind. But it is being shipped from Japan, so that's part of the shipping issue, which is around $14, $16, maybe $17. I don't know. I just know it comes up to $49.50 a month on a 3-month plan. And I think if you join up, you can save $5. They do offer you that. So let me see if I can find the hair mask. Oh, here it is. Okay. Promilli Milk. I don't know much about this. So let's see what it says here. It's ideal for morning styling. This heat-activated hair milk smooths and tames hair while helping your style last throughout the day. Formulated with oil proteins, including smooth silk and penetrating collagen. It helps repair dry, damaged strands and reduces frizz, leaving hair soft, silky, and effortlessly manageable from root to tip. So, hey, that sounds pretty good. Now, I'm thinking, is this, oh, okay, it's like 3 little treatments. So you've got a little treatment in each bag. So pretty interesting. Now, I haven't tried a lot of Japanese beauty, so this box is being a great way. I've got a lot of Korean beauty, and there will be some Korean beauty in here, I think. But since this is Sakura, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but Promili milk, probably Promili, I don't know. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Now, the next thing is a Cherry Blossom hand and body cream. That is right here, and it's Marguerite, or Margaret, however you want to say it, and it is moisturize and care for your skin with this gentle hand and body cream formulated with 20 natural derived botanicals ingredients. Rich yet non-greasy, it deeply hydrates with shea butter, avocado oil, macadamia oil, rosehip oil, honey, and royal jelly, leaving skin soft, smooth, and supple, lightly scented with a mellow cherry blossom fragrance. It's perfect for every day. So, oh yeah, I've got to get into this, because one of the reasons I signed up again was because I thought I want to get cherry blossom from Japan and see what it's all about. And this box is pretty much dedicated to that. And I thought for $49.50 it might be my most inexpensive way to experience it. But here's our hand and body cream, and it's not sealed, so I'm going to use it right away. It was in that box, so I guess they figure it's protected in there. This is what it looks like. And it does. It has a light scent, so it's not overbearing. I like that. Oh, it smells very lovely, just like cherry blossoms. Oh, that's very nice. Oh, I'm so glad I got this. Okay, I'm going to love that. All right, on to the next thing. The next thing is Cherry Blossom Foot Sap Sheet. Relax overnight with the Cherry Blossom Foot Sap Sheet. Infused with cherry blossom extract and sap powder, designed to absorb moisture while you sleep. The sheet naturally turns brown as it reacts with sweat and releases a soothing cherry blossom scent. Apply before bed to clean skin on feet or areas like shoulders, hips, knees, or elbows, then remove in the morning. Rinse thoroughly. So, hey, okay, well, I've never had a foot sap sheet. I mean, I have used some detox sheets on my feet, but this is going to refresh my feet. So that's really awesome. Next thing we have is a cherry blossom sheet mask, and that is right here. And of course, this here you're just going to apply and leave on for about 30 minutes, I think. But what does it say about it? It says the sheet mask delivers rich moisture to the skin using a blend of carefully selected botanical ingredients formulated with cherry leaf extract of camellia seed oil that helps deeply hydrate and nourish the skin. These nourishing ingredients work together to leave your complexion soft, refreshed, and botanically moisturized. All right, well, I'm going to love using that on a Mass Monday, and of course everything's in Japanese, so I can't read anything that's on the package. The next item is a cherry blossom bath salt. This translates your bath into a soothing cherry blossom escape. Oh, I bet that smells good. With this deliciously scented bath salt, as it dissolves into the water, it leaves a soft cherry blossom hue and releases a gentle floral fragrance that creates a calming spa-like atmosphere. Simply add 1 packet to your bath and stir gently, and then relax with the experience. So that sounds really great too. All right, well, so far I'm loving this box. I kind of thought I would. The next thing we have is a Dodo glitter eyeshadow, and I'm not certain if this is it or not. Says shimmer stick. I can tell you one thing, I don't think they sent me my free items. I was supposed to get a little free packet, but I don't think I got it. This here is the shimmer stick, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think this is the glitter eyeshadow, and I usually don't use a glitter eyeshadow. So I don't know if I'll open this or not. I may pass it along. It looks really pretty. It's kind of a pink color. It says, add a touch of sparkle to your eye makeup with this easy to use liquid glitter shadow. Simply roll it onto your eyelids for a smooth application and natural shimmering gloss. The bold yet wearable color delivers luminous shine, making it perfect for both everyday and special occasions. And it says you'll get one of three variations: silver shimmer, pink shimmer, or bronze. And it looks like I got pink, which that's probably what I'd rather have. It sounds interesting, doesn't it? But I don't know if I want to put it on my eyes. I don't have any pink. I have pink on, kinda, but not on my eyes. But that sounds very interesting. So, we'll see. All right, the next thing we have is the Soho lipstick, and that is right here. And I was very interested in getting that. And it says you'll get one of two variations: Belle Pink or Sheer Framboise. I think I got Sheer Pink, which I'm so thankful for, because I will definitely like that. But anyway, I think I got Sheer Pink. So let's just take a little. It's definitely sheer. Yeah, very sheer. So I think I'll love that. It's kind of like a balm almost. Let's see what it has to say about it. The smooth lipstick glides on the lips and delivers a long-lasting color with a comfortable feel, infused with moisturizing ingredients like sodium hyaluronate and jojoba seed oil, and helps keep the lips soft, hydrated, and plump looking. One easy application is all that is needed for a stunning polish finish. All right, well, that's my box. I do have a couple of bonus items in here, and it doesn't really talk about them, so I think I've showed you 8 products, and the things that are still left in here are a couple of bonuses, I suppose, because it says bonus on there, and I'm not sure what this is, but it says Lum Lum. Now, did I have an eye mask? Maybe this is the Squalene. Nope, this is the Squalene eye mask. Okay, I forgot to tell you about this. I got excited about the lipstick. This here is a comfortable and relaxed mask. Stay comfortable and refreshed with this moisturizing eye mask infused with Squalene for a gentle wrap and care for your eye areas. It says perhaps for naps, travel, or overnight use, to help keep you cozy while you rest, made with plush cotton material and soft ear loops for an added comfort. The eye mask is machine washable and features antibacterial and deodorizing properties. So that sounds cool, and sounds very lovely that it's got Squalene in it. And then this here is my bonus, and I'm not quite sure what it is, but it says there's 7 sheets. So, and it says Lululum, and I don't know what it is, but it's got the eyes on there, so it makes me wonder if it's makeup remover. Let me see. Maybe it's a facial mask. You leave it on for a certain amount of time, so I'm not sure. I might have to try to see if I can get some kind of English on this, but that's my bonus. Now, I will say, when I re-signed, I was supposed to get a gift. It was a packet of 3 with a mascara and a couple of other things. It was makeup items, and it didn't show up in this box. So I may have to contact them, but I know I'm going to enjoy this lip balm or lipstick that they have. I may try this eyeshadow just to see, and it might go real pretty with that lip color. I'm going to love this. So this is probably one of my favorite items too. What is your favorite item, and would you consider getting this box? And don't forget, we had the bath salts, and we had this facial mask, which I'll be using on a Mask Monday, of course. And I kind of look forward to trying this out. I never had one that's going to, like, I guess, have like aromatherapy while you're sleeping. But anyways, guys, that's my no make, no life. And I like it, and I like all the cherry blossoms. You let me know what's your favorite. I think this is a fun little box, and in this case I got everything Japanese in this box, and the May box will be coming, but remember, it'll be after May 15th when they ship, and it'll be toward the end of May before I can show it, maybe even into June depending on when I get it. And if you want to start a subscription right now, if you was to start up, then you would get the May box, okay? And it closes on the 15th of each month. But that's my box. Let me know if you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not already. And leave me an emoji or a comment of any kind down below. I sure would appreciate it. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.